Hi, it's John from Thunderbolt Locks, and I want to show you one of our newest products. It's called the Garage Lock. It's a deadbolt system to secure garage doors. So the Thunderbolt Garage Lock is actually our M2 version. That means it comes with a Thunderbolt key fob, and once it's plugged in, it has a converter, so it converts 110 AC power to 12 volt DC power. Just plug it into your outlet, and when you press the key fob, it's gonna either engage or disengage that deadbolt. It also has a built-in release, so you can manually lock and unlock the deadbolt. It also comes with a keyed manual release, which is on the outside of the garage. In case you ever lost power, you can insert the key and then disengage the deadbolt. The deadbolt is mounted just above a wheel. It prevents that wheel from rising, and it's going to inhibit the door from opening. There's also an auto lock accessory available that automatically engages the deadbolt when the door shuts. So that's the Garage Lock from Thunderbolt Locks. If you have any questions, contact us at Thunderbolt Locks.